China has pledged to further expand high-level opening up and step up efforts to attract and leverage foreign investment. What are China's business environment and market like? How does China drive global growth? How important is global cooperation? Insiders at this year's ball Forum for Asia annual conference in South China's Hainan have shared their views.
More the China opens, it brings more opportunities for the neighboring countries and for countries from distant regions. The global economy has a lot of prospects to expect from China, and China will have a key role to play that.
中国不仅仅是世界经济体的一部分，还是对世界经济的继续的可持续的发展的所能做的贡献。我们通过这个高水平的开放，就是来营造这样一个营商环境，促进这个资本、技术、人才对全球范围的流动。这个不仅仅是为了我们自己国家的可持续的发展，也是为了再继续推动全球化。
What I see is that China is willing to do business, first of all, with everybody on the planet. I think it's a great opportunity for everybody. China offers massive potential for everybody. So I think it's a great opportunity for companies, politicians, societies.
China's government has taken several initiatives to try to make it a more attractive place for foreign companies. The laws today in China are much better than they used to be. It's encouraging to see that the Chinese government is playing a larger role globally in trying to help not just China, but the world develop. As China becomes stronger economically,